The appeal,
And
the
for
appeal
the
is
record,
noted.
Paano natin pag-uusapan yung ibang...
And for the record, Mr. President, I still have the floor. And for the record, Mr. President,
Senator Robin Hood Padilla, irereklamo daw itong si Senator Kiko Pangilinan sa Ethics Committee ng Senado dahil sa pagsigaw sa kanya.
Reklamo si Senator Pangilinan sa pagsigaw. Meron po ba siya rules natin na sinasabing pwede mong sigawan ng kapwa mo senador?
Bago yan ay panoorin muna natin kung ano ba talaga ang totoong nangyari dito sa Senado at bakit sinasabing nasigawan itong si Senador Robin Hood Padilla ni Senador Kiko Pangilinan.
Medyo yung po pag-isipan nating mabuti. Dapat bang mangyari muli ang nangyari kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte? Dapat bang mangyari pa yan muli sa isang Pilipino? Yun lamang po, sana alam natin ang pagkakaiba ng warrant galing sa Pilipinas at warrant sa isang korte lang ng ibang bansa. Yun po, maraming salamat po.
point of order, Mr. President. Point of order, Mr.
We were going to
Point of
recognize
order.
Senator Marcoleta, but this is a point of order,
Yes.
so we recognize
Yes,
Senator
Mr.
Pangilinan.
President, my understanding is this matter was already referred to the Committee on Rules. And any on all such manifestations should have been referred to the Committee on Rules.
Senator Pangilinan, Senator Lacson gave several privileged speech, even if the matter was already referred to the
Well,
committee
well,
report.
I
So,
understand, Mr.
as a matter of
President.
tradition,
I understand, Mr.
we allow that.
Ginoong Pangulo, nilabas yung warrant of arrest kagabi lang, tapos na tayo dito.
Yeah.
I
Yes, that's why
understand.
this.
Na sinabi po na yung warrant of arrest ay tunay.
I understand, Mr. President, and therefore I'm appealing that perhaps this matter should be tackled in the committee rather than in this in plenary, so that we can address other concerns, Mr. President.
The appeal-
And
the
for the
appeal is
record,
noted.
Paano natin pag-uusapan yung ibang...
And for the record, Mr. President, I still have the floor. And for the record, Mr. President, we voted against resolution number 44. So to say that we have this resolution, yes, but there are senators who voted against it, and therefore it is not necessarily our agreement with the points being raised by the good senator from Camarines Norte.
For the record, Senator Padilla did mention a while ago that he doesn't take it against, and he acknowledges that some senators voted against it, and it's on the record. Having said that, the appeal is noted, but I just like to mention that we usually give each other leeway depending on the importance of the matter, and the threat to Senator Bato is live. There's been no official communication that he is free until a Philippine court issues a warrant of arrest. No? So I ask the patience of each member, but acknowledge the statement and the interpretation, the proper interpretation of the rules by Senator Pangilinan.
Ayan, napanood nyo po mga kaseryoso? Habang nagsasalita pala itong si Senador Kiko Pangilinan, ay sabat ng sabat itong si Senador Robin Hood Padilla. Kaya medyo nataasan siya ng boses nitong ni Senador Pangilinan. Tapos siya pa ngayon ang may lakas ng loob na ireklamo sa Ethics Committee itong si Senador Kiko Pangilinan. Sino ba sa kanilang dalawa ang walang ethics? Nako, ito talagang si Senador Robin Hood Padilla. Di ba sinabi niya lang nung nakaraan? Sinabihan niya na yung mga kabataan ngayon ay mahihina raw, mga iyakin, hindi tulad nila nung araw na matitibay. Panoorin natin yung interview sa kanya nung nakaraan.
Huwag kayong magagalit sa akin. Ako, maraming batang magagalit siguro, pero pasensya na kayo. You are weak. Hindi kayo katulad nung panahon namin na hindi kami iyakin. Natuto kami sa kalsada. Natuto kami na huwag umupo, umiyak. Nung panahon namin, hindi uso yung salitang depression. Hindi ko nga alam yun kung ano yung depression. Ngayon, batang maliit, sasabihin, I'm depressed. Magulo.
Ayan, hindi pala siya iyakin. Mataasan lang ng boses nitong si Senador Kiko Pangilinan nagtatampo na. At magrereklamo na kaagad. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman. Kinakamayan siya nitong Senador Kiko Pangilinan. Ayaw niya makipagkamay. Kayo mga kaseryoso, anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito kay Senador Robin Hood Padilla? I-comment nyo naman dyan sa baba para malaman ko rin. Muli, maraming salamat sa panunood. Hanggang sa susunod. Thank you for watching and God bless.
Sir, di ako sumisigaw. Tumaas ako. Humihingi ako sa mga sa pagdating kayo ng sigaw.